Hey everyone, welcome to another walkthrough video of Excel Wonders. We're going to look at Color and Gradient Picker. This is a great tool for marketers, designers, or any professional who wants to document the list of colors for their brand or a project and gradients as well. So when you open this file, you should see this list. This is the list of colors. You have the option to list out colors and gradients as well. Now let's go start with colors. So in colors, you can list them, you can move them around like this. You can delete, let's for example, delete this one. There's two ways of deleting. You can either click here to delete, or you can click here to delete, you confirm, and it's gone. But let me show you now how to add a new color. So we click here, new color, and it opens up a color picker, which allows you to then click on different colors here. And as you click the colors, below you will see different variations of those colors. So for example, if I click here on this orange, it will show you from the lightest orange, which is white, to the darkest, which is black. It shows here as well the information about this color in the hex code and the RGB numbers. And you can either confirm this color, which then once you click, it opens this window and you need to add, let's say, a name. Let's call it test. And here it is. But let's try it out. Now, if you want a color that is not in the date picker, so you click here, but you don't find any of the colors that you want. If you have a specific custom color, you just click here, add custom color. You add a name, you add either the hex code or the RGB code, and then you click create new. And once you create new, it's going to add right here on the list. Now let's look at gradients. In gradients, there's a few things you can do. You can create a new gradient, you can edit the existing gradient, or you can delete. So to delete, let's start with deleting. You go here and you click delete. If you click yes, it will delete. I will not delete for now, but it's just to show you that you click here on this cross. Now, if you want to edit, let's say, for example, I click here and you click here in the gradient you want to edit, you click edit, and it opens a window with the information about it. You can edit the name. Let's, for example, call it test 22. You can change the orientation. Let's, for example, change it to vertical. And then you can change the colors as well and the percentage of the gradient. If you click Save Changes, you now have that same gradient with the same colors, but now in a different orientation and with a different name. You also have here the code that if you want to copy paste into a code editor to then visualize this gradient in a CSS format, for example. Now, one word of caution though, this is just for testing purposes. It's possible that the standards for CSS change over time, and so the code you see here may evolve and may not work. So use this with caution, but again, this is more to document the gradients that you want to have. And that's about it. That's all you can do on these color and gradient date picker. Hope you enjoy it.